AI is significantly reshaping the workforce, leading to job displacement in sectors like administrative roles and customer service, with thousands of jobs impacted. However, it's also creating new opportunities in data analytics and AI development, and is expected to augment many existing roles. Concerns are rising about AI's cognitive impact, as studies suggest over-reliance can weaken critical thinking and memory skills due to cognitive offloading. Interestingly, some research indicates AI can even slow down experienced software developers, highlighting a learning curve. Companies like Microsoft are investing heavily in AI training to help their workforce adapt to these profound changes. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot, vacuum 50% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Casio has made a significant leap into traditional horology with the launch of its first-ever mechanical timepiece, the Edifice EFK 100 Automatic. This new series, part of their motorsport-inspired Edifice line, features a reliable automatic movement visible through a transparent case back. The collection boasts a sporty, yet refined aesthetic, with some models incorporating genuine forged carbon dials and cases, a material prized in high-performance vehicles. With a compact 39 case and 100-meter water resistance, these watches aim to offer an accessible entry point into mechanical watchmaking. This move marks a notable expansion for Casio, traditionally known for its quartz and digital innovations, blending modern design with classic craftsmanship. Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar 44% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Google is officially moving forward with plans to merge Chromos into Android, marking a significant strategic shift aimed at unifying its diverse ecosystem across phones, tablets, and laptops. This ambitious move is intended to streamline development efforts by consolidating two separate operating systems into one cohesive platform. A key goal of this integration is to provide a stronger base for Google's Gemini-powered AI experiences on a wider range of devices. Consequently, future Chromebooks and tablets are expected to run this unified Android-based OS, rather than separate Chrome OS versions. Ultimately, Google aims for this consolidation to position Android as the singular platform to rule all devices and potentially own the next generation of computing. 2-in-1 laptop, convertible 70% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Intel is reportedly planning to integrate a significantly larger GPU into its upcoming Nova Lake-X CPUs. These processors are anticipated to feature an Z3 graphics chip with 384 execution units, backed by a 256-bit memory bus for high bandwidth. This strategic move aims to directly compete with powerful integrated graphics offerings from AMD, such as their Strix Halo processors, and NVIDIA's upcoming N1 series CPUs. It signals Intel's increased focus on delivering robust integrated graphics performance for both productivity and gaming workloads. MSI Gaming RTX 5070 17% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Jack Dorsey has launched Sunday, an iPhone app designed to help users track their UV exposure and estimate vitamin D synthesis. The app utilizes your location's UV index, along with user inputs like skin type and clothing, to provide personalized insights and warn about potential burn limits. It requires manual toggling to log sun exposure sessions for accuracy. This release follows his recent Bluetooth-based messaging app, BitChat, showcasing Dorsey's continued interest in decentralized and health-focused technology. WIZ Campan V3 25% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Tecno has showcased its Phantom Ultimate G Fold concept, a groundbreaking trifold smartphone designed to push the boundaries of mobile multitasking and display real estate. This innovative concept device expands into a remarkably large 9.94-inch display, offering users a tablet-like experience from a pocketable form factor. It features a custom-engineered dual hinge system that allows for seamless folding and unfolding. The hinges can support over 300,000 folds, exceeding most folding devices and offering exceptional device longevity and folding smoothness. With a robust triple camera setup, Techno aims to combine versatile photography with expansive screen utility, formally unveiling this ambitious design at MWC 2026. Triple laptop screen extender 38% off. Subscribe and share the video for more.